Hello friends, welcome to the session 4 of Robotics and Embedded Systems. Today I'll explain you the second half of the program. I hope you have seen the previous lesson and you have understood it well. I would like to tell you that you can ask for our help anytime you want. You can contact us via our queries and suggestions section which I have put it just on the blog. So let's begin our class now. Last time I left you at the beginning of the while loop, which is here. I hope you can see this. This is the while loop where I left you last time. As you all can see, we have while and in parentheses we are having 1. Okay, so why while 1? Well, our main motive is that the while loop should run infinitely. But why should the while loop run infinitely? This is because we want the program to continuously check whether we are pressing the switch or not. So if we are pressing the switch, it should start the buzzer, and if we are not, then it should not. Okay, so next we have an if condition which checks whether the switch has been pressed or not. The single ampersand command which you can see here, which is pin A ampersand 0x01, is not like the double ampersand which we use in C++. It's actually the bitwise AND. It's boolean AND. So how does this bitwise AND work? Okay, so initially we have initialized port A as 0xF0. It means that the last 4 bits, that are these 7, 6, 5, 4, are 1, 1, 1 and 1, and the other 4 bits are 0. So when we press the buzzer, as I've told you earlier, we are giving a low, that means we are giving a 0. So the fourth bit, that means the first button, that is switch 1, becomes 0. So after pressing, it becomes 111, 0, and then 4 times 0. Okay, now we have to perform the boolean AND operation. So after ANDing, the 7th bit initially was 1, and after pressing it is also 1. So AND operation of both gives us 1. But the 4th bit, initially it was 1, and after pressing it became 0. So if we will AND that, it will become 0, and rest of the bits remain the same. Okay, so the 4th bit now has become 0. So what are we checking here? We are checking if the 4th bit is becoming 0. That is 0x00. So this after ANDing, this denotes the condition, which is 0x00. Okay, so if the condition is true, then the buzzer will work. That means it will start buzzing. There is also an else condition. So why I have put an else condition? It is because the buzzer should instantly stop when we stop pressing the switch. Okay, so I've given port C is equals to 0x00 in the else condition. So it will check whether we are pressing the switch or not. Okay, I'll again tell you how to embed the code into the motherboard. So what are the steps to be followed? First, we have to open the HID boot flash, which I am having this side. Okay, this is the HID boot flash. Okay, then you have to connect the motherboard to the CPU. I hope you all know how to do that. Okay, step 3 is this. You have to set the program, which is this. I hope you can see my cursor. This is the program switch to on, and then this is the power switch which we have to set to off. We'll do it like this. First, we'll switch program to on, and then we'll be switching the power to on. You can see the light here. I hope you can see this. Okay, so next you have to click on this find device. Okay, you have to find the device, and it will show you till here. It will show you till device size. Okay, then click on open.hex file. Here we go. I'm clicking on open.hex file. I've saved my .hex file in session 4 folder, which is on the desktop. So I'll select main.hex. Okay, I'll click on open, and then you have to click on flash device. Okay, you have to click on flash device, and then you'll get till finished flashing device. After you are done flashing the device, you have to turn the program button to off. Set it to off, and then your program is ready to be executed. Just press the switch and you'll see the buzzer buzz. Let me show you. Okay, so I've set it to off, and now I'm going to press the switch and you'll hear this sound. Okay, so this is how a switch works. I've also given you an idea of one of the bitwise operations. Hope that you have understood this lesson completely. I would like to repeat that if you have any doubt, then feel free to contact us via our queries and suggestions section. Thank you, friends.